our gaze is the storm side. We're adrift in the void where we lay to die. No need for forgiveness, no place for pain, no place for pain. We drown together in the blackest rain, blackest rain. As the last light fades from our eyes, I know this is where love truly dies. With shattered hands we let the dark win. No more beginnings, no hope to claim. Lies to rest, we wear scars like chains on our chests. No warmth to hold, no fire to spark, just endless nights and endless dark.